in this section we are going to discuss some question that coming under arithmetic aptitude section, and that questions are from previous year NATA question paper 2017. Okay, let's start. First question, from a point O, two persons A and B started their journey on XY plane. A went 7 km along north and stopped. B went 5 km west and then 5 km south and stopped. What is the shortest distance between A and B? Okay, a figure is shown here. From a point O, this is a point O, and two persons A and B started their journey on XY plane. A went 7 km along north. We all know that the directions. This is north, this is west, this is south, and this is east. A went 7 km along north and stopped. B went 5 km west, 5 km west, and then 5 km south and stopped. What is the shortest distance between A and B? The shortest distance between A and B is represented by a red line. Red line. We have to find this shortest distance. Okay, we can redraw this figure as, consider this is a triangle. Therefore, this side is 7 plus 5, 12, and this side is 5. Therefore, the shortest distance is, according to Pythagoras theorem, base square plus height square equal to hypotenuse square. Therefore, this line is equal to 12 square plus 5 square equal to 169. Therefore, shortest distance AB equal to 13. Clear? Next question. 3 cubes of side 2 cm are glued surface to surface horizontally such that it produces a cuboid. What is the surface area of the cuboid? What is the surface area of the cuboid? Here 3 cubes of 2 cm are glued surface to surface horizontally. Therefore, the length of cuboid is 2 plus 2 equal to 6 cm, breadth equal to 2 cm, height equal to 2 cm. The surface area of a cuboid is equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HL, where L is length, B is breadth, and H is height. Therefore, answer is 2 into LB, that means 12, plus BH, that means 4, and HL, that means 12. Therefore, answer 56 cm square. Next, third question. When a clock is seen through a mirror, the hour arm and minute arm are seen at 9 and 4 respectively, so that the time seen is 9:20. What will be the actual time after 15 minutes? What will be the actual time after 15 minutes? Okay, a figure is shown here. In this clock, the time is 10 o'clock. The mirror image is 2 o'clock. That means 10. The mirror image is 2 o'clock. Clear? But in this problem, we have to find the mirror image of 9:20. We have to find the mirror image of 9:20. The 9:20. Therefore, the hour is between 9 and 10. Therefore, in mirror image, this hour arm is between 2 and 3. 2 and 3. Here, minute hand is at 4. Therefore, in mirror image, this is at 8. This is at 8. Okay. That means hour hand, and this is minute hand. Therefore, 2:40. Mirror image of 9:20 is 2:40. But our question is actual time after 15 minutes. Actual time after 15 minutes equal to 2:55. 2:55. Next, fourth question. How many bricks of dimensions 20 cm, 10 cm and 10 cm are required to build a wall 12 meter long 3 meter high and 30 centimeter wide if 10% of the wall is comprised of mortar. Okay. To get the number of bricks used in the wall, we need the volume of brick wall divided by volume of a single brick. Volume of brick wall divided by volume of single brick. Here the dimensions of bricks are given here, 20 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. Therefore the volume of a single brick equal to 20 into 10 into 10 equal to 2000. Okay, clear? Here the dimensions are given in centimeter. Then we have to find the volume of brick wall. The wall dimensions are 12 meter, 3 meter and 30 centimeter. Therefore volume of brick wall equal to, convert this meter into centimeter. Therefore 1200 into 300 into 30. Therefore this is value. This value is volume of brick wall. But 10% of wall is comprised of mortar. That means 10% of wall is mortar. Then 10% of this value is equal to this. In order to get number of bricks, the volume of brick wall divided by volume of a single brick. Therefore, the volume of brick wall is here and this is divided by volume of a single brick. Therefore, the final answer is 4860. Next, fifth question. A circle is inscribed within an equilateral triangle of area √3 square meter. The circumference of the circle is. A figure is shown here. A circle is inscribed within an equilateral triangle. We all know that the area of equilateral triangle with side A is √3 by 4a square. It is given as √3. From question, the area of equilateral triangle is √3. Therefore, √3 by 4a square equal to √3. Therefore, a square by 4 equal to 1. Also, the area of a circle inscribed inside an equilateral triangle is pi a square by 12. Here a square by 4 equal to 1. Therefore, pi a square by 12 can be written as pi by 3. Because a square by 4 is 1. Which is equal to pi by 3. In terms of radius, we can write as pi r square. Area of circle is pi r square. Therefore, we can find r equal to 1 by √3. Therefore, circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Therefore, final answer 2 pi by √3. Clear? I hope this video will help you for upcoming exam. Keep watching for more videos. Okay, thank you all. See you again.